How to order food using Uber Eats app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually order food using the Uber Eats app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to order food using the Uber Eats app, first of all just open the Uber Eats application and just make sure to browse the foods, right? So browse the food and then simply add them to your basket. So once you look for the food that you want to order and then add them to your basket, you can see on my basket I have some kind of food that I've added previously. Now I'll just select that option over here and then I'll select go to checkout, right? So once I go to the checkout, if I want I can add some complimentary dishes, but I'm going to skip that of course and then just tap on the no thanks button. Now over here you can see your checkout process, your delivery options, such as standard time or your priority time right over here, and then select schedule time or your items and so on. You can also select to make it a gift or add a promo code or add a payment method, whatever else, and just select the option called place order and then just agree to the terms and conditions over here. Select the option called confirm. It will ask you to add a payment method though. Go ahead and simply make sure to add a payment method, and then you should be able to successfully order and then place your order on the Uber Eats app. That's all it takes to place order on the Uber Eats app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.